Ammo. Good morning, Bittu. What are you writing, Ammo? My teacher told to write about what is a tree. For me, tree is a friend. This is good idea. Let's go ask and others. Let's go. Good morning, Chacha. Good morning, Ammu. Good morning, Chacha. Good morning, Bittu. Chacha, can I ask you a question?
Yes, dear, you can.
Chacha, what is a tree?
For me, a tree is wood to make beautiful furniture.
Okay, Chacha. Bye, Chacha.
Welcome, Ammu.
Bye, Chacha.
Welcome, Bittu.
Good afternoon, Pinny.
Good afternoon, Ammu.
Good afternoon, Pinny.
Good afternoon, Bittu.
Pinny, can I ask you a question?
Yes, dear, you can.
Pinny, what is a tree?
It is firewood to cook meals for my family.
Okay, Pinny. Bye, Pinny. Thank you.
Welcome, Ammu.
Bye, Pinny.
Welcome, Bittu.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon, Ammu.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon, Bittu.
Mama, can I ask you a question?
Yes, dear, you can.
Mama, what is a tree?
It is flour to make my field ready.
Okay, Mama. Bye, Mama. Thank you.
Bye, Ammu. Bye, Mama. Bye, Bittu.
Good afternoon, Tata.
Good afternoon, Ammu. Good afternoon, Tata. Good afternoon, Bittu.
Tata, can I ask you a question?
Yes, dear, you can.
Tata, what is a tree?
It is shade. It is like umbrella for me.
Okay, Tata. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Ammu. Bye, Tata. Bye, Bittu.
Good evening, Kaka.
Good evening, Ammu. Good evening, Kaka. Good evening, Bittu.
Kaka, can I ask you a question?
Yes, dear, you can.
Kaka, what is a tree?
It is a boat to carry me across waters.
Thank you, Kaka. Bye.
Bye, Ammu.
Bye, Kaka.
Bye, Bittu. Ammu, look, your friends are playing there.
Okay, let's come. Good evening, friends.
Good evening, Ammu.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening, Bittu.
Friends, can I ask you a question?
Yes,
Friends, what is a tree?
it is a place for us to play.
Okay, friends. Parrot, what is a tree?
It is a place for me to live. It is my food to eat.
Thank you, parrot. Monkey, what is a tree?
Same here, dear.
Okay, monkey. Bye.
Bye, Ammu.
Bye. Pittu, now I know what a tree is.
It is everything for us.
It is our life.